Hello, today we are back at Stanley Park. We are back covering the Anfield stand expansion. The reason we've done this so soon after is because last week the drone wasn't working, couldn't get it up in the air, so I thought to come back, and we've got a full drone video coming up. So I'm not going to keep you too long, we're just going to get straight into this video. So if you do like the video, you can subscribe to our channel, you can share, leave any comments in the section down below as well. Okay, I'm gutted because we got this crane here on the left that was lifting something up as we were in the air, which looked boss, and as soon as you come out the air, that crane started lifting something, so I'm a bit gutted about that, but it is what it is. Right, take care of yourselves. We're getting straight into this video. Don't forget to leave us some comments if you do like it, or you've got any suggestions or questions or anything like that. Take care, we'll see you soon.